Hey, hi guys, this is the first lesson of locking dance course. In this lesson we will learn some body grooves, and without grooves you can't do any dance form. So we will start from the up bounce groove. This is very important groove in locking dancing. Without up bouncing you can't do locking dance. So for this, just take this position from here and go up like this and up. Just bounce your body upwards like this, and one and two. We will see from this angle like this. Just rock your knees backwards like this and go upwards like this. Alright, this is called up bounce. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Alright, and this is the variation step like this. Take position and go up and up and up and up. Little fast. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Don't forget to do bounce, bounce, upwards, bounce. And you can do practice like this too. Just do side to side, same step. We can also call that step march step. This is the another one. And 1 2 3 and 4. Front, cross, side, close. Now we will learn upper body grooves. Just swing your upper body like this, right to left, left to right. Just make U alphabet and add same time bounce groove. Now do little fast. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And it will be our second upper body groove. Just rock backwards like this and at same time up bounce, up, bounce and rock, bounce and rock, bounce and rock, bounce and rock. 1 and 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And it will be third one. Just wave and bounce, wave and bounce like this. 1 2 1 2, and your legs go backwards like this. Alright, one more time. And 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now we will learn neck grooves. Just rock your neck backwards like this, and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Little fast and add a bounce. This was first one, and this is second step, second one. Just swing your neck right to left, left to right. Do with a bounce. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And it will be third one. Swing your neck like this. Left, straight, right, straight, with a bounce like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and.